but he gives us more grace. That is why scripture says, God opposes the proud but shows favor to the humble. James chapter 4 verses 6. Hello beautiful family. A very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Let's make a very quick meal today. We're making some peppered gizzard and fried yam, and it's just so incredible. Definitely something that you cannot go wrong with. So these are all the listed ingredients. It's also been listed below in the description box, so kindly check it out. What I like to do first is to go ahead and cut my onions into smaller pieces. All these things that I'll use to marinate my gizzard is what I'm going for today. So here I am going for some onions, some habaneros, I like it nice and peppery, a bit of ginger, some aniseed, and some dried rosemary, a bit of garlic as well. And I'm going to add some oil in it and blend it until they're very nice and smooth. So in my saucepan, I'm going to also add a little bit of oil, add my very well clean gizzard. I am using the chicken gizzard. You can use the turkey gizzard if that's what you have. One thing about gizzard is you do not want to cook it with lots of water because it contains lots and lots of broth or liquid. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and season with some more powdered seasoning. I went in with some paprika powder, all pepper seasoning. I have a tablespoon of curry powder. I love that aroma in there. And I also went ahead to stir it gently and added the blended ingredients, which has lots of pepper in here. Very nice and spicy. Mind you, we do not add any water. Okay, so go ahead and gently stir everything together so that you know that each and every gizzard in here is being well marinated. Please go ahead and cook this on a low heat, low to medium. Okay, never high, because you're going to end up burning it. Okay, so cover it, allow it to slowly cook for the next 10 minutes on a very low heat. While that is being done, I'll go ahead and cut some of my vegetables that I'll be using. I love me some bell peppers, so I'm going in for the green. I also used a bit of the red and the yellow ones. Please choose any colorful bell peppers that you prefer. It is absolutely incredible, just so fragranceful. I absolutely love it. And I also went ahead to add more of my green pepper top. It is very nice and spicy, and some more onions as well. I'm going to go ahead and blend this very well. It's going to help make our quick sauce for our gizzard. Okay, so once that is being blended, let's go ahead and check on our gizzard. Just look at that. It has been cooking very well with the help of the oil as well, and we lost even the good amount of the oil, so it's now time for me to pick it out. I think I cooked this for about 15 minutes. We just want it to be very nice and crunchy as well. It cooked and it ended up frying at the same time, which is perfect. That's what we want. Okay, there is no need for you to just steam it on the side and later fry it. Your gizzard is going to end up being very hard. We want it to be very nice and soft. Okay, so once that is done, I'll go ahead and pour the blended ingredients I used for the sauce, and I went in with 1 cube, okay, 1 chicken stock, that's all, and I went ahead to stir it very well. Remember, it has a bit of the stock from the gizzard as well, so yes, it is perfect. Just allow it to simmer through for about just 7 minutes. This is absolutely easy meal. It's just so incredibly fast. So all that I'm going to do here is to go ahead and peel off my yam and cut them into the sizes that I prefer. Normally you want to cut it in a chip form, you know, the regular fries form, or cut it the traditional way that we used to buy it on the street. Just go ahead and cut it into any preferred form. This is how I want to shape my yams, and I'll go ahead and wash it very well. Wash it about 3 times just to make sure it's looking very nice and bright. And once I'm done, I'll go ahead and add extra more water in here and add a bit of salt and turmeric powder for that glowy. You just want your fried yam to look very nice, yellowish, and inviting. If not, you're going to get a very pale, not so inviting, kind of yam, and that's not what we want here. Okay, so go ahead and marinate this yam for about 30 minutes before you start to fry them. While doing that, we go ahead and check on our sauce for our gizzard, and it's looking so good and amazing. Already smells heavenly. So I'm going to go ahead and put back my gizzard in there. It is very nice, tender, and just so flavorful. It is so good. I went ahead to add a lot more of vegetables, to make everything so lively and vibrant in there. Just go ahead and stir it gently together, allow it to simmer here, and you'll be done with your gizzard. It's such a very quick way to make your peppered gizzard. Okay, this you can even pair with rice or anything that comes in mind as well. So it's now time for us to fry our yam. As we are still frying our yam, I just want to remind you to continue to support this channel by giving it a thumbs up. Go ahead and hype the video. Give me a comment in the comment section as well. And if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and enjoy more of such amazing recipes as well. Okay, so now go ahead and fry all your yam. I normally fry it for about 5 minutes, and there you go. Make sure that the oil is very nice and hot, and you're going to get this crispy, very crunchy on the outside, super soft in the inside type of fried yam. So good. You look at how the color even turned out. 10 over 10. It's so amazing. Let's go ahead and also put our gizzard on the side, a bit of shito, and there you have it. Very simple meal. Go ahead and pair it with any drink of choice. Sobolo wouldn't be bad. Your malt, your Fanta, your Coca-Cola, or just water. Amazingly delicious. Have a great day. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, please do not forget again to give me a thumbs up, share with your friends and family. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again. And as always, know that you're so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day. Bye.